Today I'm going to be showing you how to use sketch contour. There will be scenario like you want to let me hide this. You want to do some kind of a sketch like this very quickly. You're running in time or short of time. You can do this using the same sketch. For example, like you have this sketch. You want to extrude this. After that you want to extrude this, you can do this. I'll show you how to do this. Let's get started. So let's go to new, part, front plane, draw three lines. So you want to have so let me extrude this first. Um, 50 mm. So we are out. Okay. Now, how to extrude this? That's the key technical thing. Normally, if you just edit sketch or make a new sketch, it doesn't happen. You just have to go extrude here again. Click here, click the tree, go down to the same sketch, okay, and then use this sketch and put like 80, okay. So you are having another value on top of it. This is how you have to use contour sketch. See, if you come here, you'll see. This selected contours is this one. So this is how you do the contour sketch in SolidWorks. So you have to, if you want to extrude, just go second time, click this box extrude, and then choose this sketch, whatever you want to extrude, and just extrude it. If you have any question or comments, put a message in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply to you. Normally, we spend a lot of hours creating this kind of small tips and tricks on SolidWorks. So do like and share us so that we'll be encouraged to put in more new videos. It'll be very helpful. It's all totally free. For more details, visit thaicadservices.com. Thank you. Bye.